Oh, why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today is Song of the Wind Day on violin. Alright, so Song of the Wind is song number 3 in Suzuki Book 1 for violin. Alright, um, it's a good song. Alright, so here, let's just do a playthrough. Are you ready? Okay, so we need to get our straight wrist, right? And our pinky on our bow. Okay, so here we go. Let's do it twice. Let's do it in a sort of a slow performance speed, like the bottom end of your recital possibilities, and then the upper, like the highest, fastest you would want to play it. All right. So the slowest you would want to play it would be dum bum bum. So 1 and 2 and. Repeat. Okay, so let's try it at the fast end of our performance speeds. So, bum, 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 bum. Here we go. So 1 and 2 and. All right, so that's it. Remember, this is only marked as allegretto. Okay, so it's not full-fledged allegro; it's less. Okay, so it can't be too fast if you want to follow that tempo marking. So yeah, so somewhere in between that slow that I did and what the upper end, somewhere in between there, you're gonna be good for your recital. All right, check it out. Check out the tutorial if you want, and do some practice along. But that's the other video for this song. See you next time.